All right, year 1 and 2, I hope you're all sitting down and your eyes are on the board. There are a lot of counters here, and I want to count them with you guys. But instead of counting by ones, there is an easier way that we can count them, and we need to organize them in a special way called tally marks, okay? So a tally mark is a symbol we use to show that we have one object or item, okay? And a tally mark will just be a single line like that, okay? So if I want to count all of these counters, I need to start drawing lines to show one counter each. So I need to organize them by putting them in groups of 5. And I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start counting how many counters from looking at the top row. I'm going to start drawing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I get to 5, I need to draw a line diagonally through that, like you can see here. Okay? And I'm going to keep counting in groups of 5 until I'm left with however many counters are left. So we're going to go 5, and then count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, I'm not just drawing lines as I'm counting. I'm drawing a line for each counter that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see I still have 1 left over, 1 counter, so I'm going to draw 1. And that's what it should look like, okay? So now we're going to count by 5s, 1 and 2. We remember how to count by 5s. So we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I have 1 left over. So I know I have 21 counters on the screen, okay? So like I've said, tally marks, we draw a single line, a single tally to show one object or item. And when I'm collecting and counting items, I draw a tally mark each time I see one. So then when I have bigger numbers, like 10, let's say I have 10 apples, I can look at that tally mark there and I see 2 groups of 5, so immediately I know I have 10 apples. Okay? So if Sam has bought 6 lollies from the store, and his friend Michael bought 7 lollies from the store, we need to figure out how many lollies they have altogether. Now you can keep the answer if you already know it in your head, but we're going to do it in a much easier way. So if we say that Sam has bought 6 lollies, I need to show 6 in tally marks. So I know I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going in groups of 5, as we remember. 5, 6. So that's how many that Sam has, okay? And then we need to add on to this tally to show how many Michael added to that. And we know he added 7, so we're going to count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so that's what your tally marks should look like. And again, 1 and 2, we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many lollies do they have together? Are you 1 and 2? They have 13. Very good. All right, you 1 and 2. Now we're going to play a game called stick tallying. And you're going to be sitting at your tables in groups of 4. And each of you are going to get this sheet here. Now, each of you are going to write your name in the left column. So there should be 4 names in that column. And in the middle column is you're going to be making tally marks of who can put some of these paddle pop sticks together the quickest. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have 20 paddle pop sticks at each of your desks. And I'm going to call a number from 1 to 20. Let's say that number is 4. Okay, so then you need to show 4 paddle pop sticks in the form of tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They need to be lined up like this next to each other, the same way we would with tally marks, okay? And then you need to, if it's more than 5, remember to put them in groups of 5 and put it diagonally. I'm going to come around and help you, and you're each going to play, and the person who can get this the quickest will win. Okay?